Hello everybody, I'm back here today after skipping a couple of days. I have some great news for you. Some of you might get some money easy making if you meet the requirement. You don't have to spend a lot of time. You don't have to do a lot of things. You don't have to do a lot, heavy thing, labor or like, jumping or climbing anything. As long as you have met the requirements, most of them is required. You might be required some money upfront, and some of they might require you have direct deposits, like you working, or you have the you receive SSA. That's the requirements. But let's see. It's not bad if you okay, let me go over them so you don't have to sit here and waste a lot of time to listen to me. Let me scan over here this package I hold in my hand here, and then I clip my camera, just focus on these papers so you can see clearly. Because you don't have to look at my face and you distract, you unable to focus on here. This is a bank offer. It's not on one state, it's from many states. That's what I say, like you might be qualified, might be not, but if you want to take a look and get some experience and then get some ideas so you can figure how you do next time. Okay, let me go over them. The first one I'm holding here is a WinTrust. This is there for $300 checking account. The second one, also the WinTrust, that's there for $500 account. Open new checking account and saving account at the same time in order to get $500. Another bank, they offer you a great deal too if you have a lot of money already. Not a lot of money, you have some money on your hand, so you can deposits there and you get the interest. They offer a great deal to 3.01% APY. And okay, the next one is PenFed Credit Union. They offer you $200 checking account bonus. That is this bank I just read over. They have the open online button for you to open too, but you have to read the small letter at the end to make sure you qualify. I will let you see the address to get there. Another one is a consumer's credit union offer you 4.09% APY. Another option, they have 3.09 APY percent, 3.09% APY, and another one 2.09% APY. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Old Second Bank. The Old Second Bank offer you $200 checking bonus. Another one here, First Bank offer you $300 checking account. It's a good deal. And once again, these banks allow you to open online too. Also, I told you have to be careful a small word at the end, to make sure. Next is Huntington Bank. They offer you, the first one is $150 checking account bonus. The second one, they have a $200 checking account bonus. And the last one is they have is $500 checking account bonus. That's great news, a good news, right? These are 10 of best offer I just retrieved today. So these are whatever I retrieve, I try my best. You have to go to the address I show you on this page. Go there to really be careful before you open the account and in order to get the bonus. But the main purpose here is the tiny words there. Let me lift my camera down so you can see clearly. Okay, let's go first. Here is the WinTrust. And these are for the state of Florida, Illinois, Indiana. The address you can go there to specific offer here. There's for Florida and there's Illinois. And the last one, Indiana, Wisconsin. I think Wisconsin. The address here. And these they require you $100 to open that many times, but you have to be totaling all then $500 each month for 2 months, but 2 consecutive doesn't mean this month and next month. And so they only offer for the new account opening account, no checking account opening only. That's for WinTrust. Also for WinTrust, they have $500 offer, but I don't see they have on their website. But this one I read from the on another website. It's about bank offering us. These in order to get 500 bonus, you need to open 2 type of accounts. One is a checking account, that's the total asset checking, and a statement savings account. You have to both them in order to get $500 bonus here. For checking, you get $300. They require you have to open its own. First, you have to deposit $100. Plus, you need to have the direct deposit, so totally $500. And for checking account, you need to have $15,000 deposits in the account, and you have that money have to be new money. I'm not sure how long you have to keep the $15,000 there, but you need, once again, you have to ask this. I think you have to go to the branch because some people just upload the art they have to somewhere. So this is one you need to ask the branch representative about this, and their code EW here. These 2 codes, one 300, another one 200. That's for WinTrust. Next is Old Missouri Bank. This one is 3.01 APY. The checking account, you can get the 3.01% for up to 25,000 deposits in the bank. They require you have to spend at least 12 transactions by using the debit card in at least one ACH credit or one ACH payment transactions. So once again, I just told you, you have to be really careful when you opening an account. You open the account here, allow you open online too. The address to access there here. They're available for, I think, Montana, Arizona, Oklahoma, Kansas, Iowa, Nebraska, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Indiana, Minnesota, Ohio, Texas, and Colorado. If you live one of the apply for this to get the 3.01. Next is a PenFed credit union offer you $200 bonus checking account. You need to open a new checking account called Access America checking account. You need to deposit and you need to make the 5 debit card transaction. That means when you have to use your debit card to buy at least 5 times. That's easy. It's not hard to that part. You have to do 5 transactions within 90 days of opening. They offer from May 4 to June 14. Here in this address to get more information, and then you can apply online too. I forgot which states they offer, but you go there to check to make sure. Or you can, yeah, I think they have that. Usually they have a little tiny one at the end, but you can zoom it by expand your screen bigger, so then you easy to read them. That's for these. Yeah, done. And now I think that's one. Another one is consumers credit union. They offer 4.01%, 4.09% APY, but you need to on the balance up to 10,000. You can put there up to 10,000 to get the 4.09%, and they don't have monthly maintenance fee. You can write many checks that you want, no minimum balance, and yeah, and they allow you apply online too. Another offer they have is you got one more. To get 4.09% APY, you need to spend 1,000 or more on the credit card, debit card, credit card, Visa, credit card purchase. And here is the address to get there. Once again, you go there to get the information. Another one they offer you can get the 3.09 APY. The same thing up to 10,000, but this one you need to spend $500. Also, another one is 2.09% APY, and then there 2.09% APY up to 10,000. They require you receive e-documents. Next, you have to make 12 transactions by using your debit card each month. Also, direct deposits, mobile checking deposit, or ACH credit totaling the 500 or more monthly. You have to have one of these, but the total is 500 in order to get 2.09%. The next one, the address to get these are for the same thing, the same with the 4.09%. Next one is the Asterisk-Free Bank. Offer you 200 checking account, open new checking account, and here the code EM2. They have online, open online too. To get 200 checking dollar bonus checking, you need to open a new checking account with the code here, and you have to enroll. First, you get a debit card and enroll an e-statement that you get $50. The second step, you have to complete 2 or more direct deposits, a total of $500. That's another 100. And the third one, and open the money builder 7 account. That's another $50 is a total 200. So that means you have to open the check-in. I think this one is open something. Once again, for more information, you have to go to this address to get more and read more. And they have their offer. I believe they offer only for Illinois residents only, but you have to double check. Another one, the First Bank. This offers you 300 checking bonus, and then to qualify, you need to open a new checking account and enroll online banking, and you have to make at least direct deposits totaling $500 or more. At least one direct deposit, but for 3 months. Also, there's the information to get more information. These were available for California, Arizona, Colorado resident only. This okay, it's the 10th of I just retweet today. Once again, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.